Hi, this is a Technology Ridecast. I'm Mark Farley, and our special guest this afternoon is Chris Evans. How you doing, Chris?
Hey Mark, yeah, I'm doing good. Good to talk to you again.
Well, at least your avatar is here anyway.
Yeah, you're probably getting more interesting conversation out of the avatar you get out of me.
I don't think so. So I really called you today to talk about this DigitalOcean announcement about their block storage service. Did you get a chance to see the news?
I had a quick look at it this afternoon. Their latest release allows you to connect block storage to their definition of an instance, which is called a droplet. I connected a 100 gig volume to an instance, powered it up, ran some performance tests on it, just to see what it would look like. I got around 6.4 to 7.5 megabytes a second just writing random data to a large file, which seemed okay, seemed in line with the other vendors. So, and it's supposed to be SSD backed storage, but it looked okay. I mean, it wasn't producing stunning performance, but then I did choose quite a small droplet.
Well, what do you think people will use it for?
It's obviously storage that's separate from the actual boot volume of the droplet itself. So the chances are you'll be using it for data that might be associated with an application like a database. The one thing you can't do is you can't share that volume with another instance, so it's more likely to be useful where you want to create some data, detach that volume and reattach it later, and basically the data outlives the lifetime of the droplet itself, and in that way you keep that volume persistent for maybe an upgrade or for doing something else with it.
Could you see people moving, not mission critical apps, but could you see them moving apps from data centers to DigitalOcean?
I'm not sure about the scalability of it in terms of whether it would be usable as a true production environment, but I'm sure there are people who do.
Yeah, overall, what's your impression of DigitalOcean?
I quite like it. It's quite a nice way to do things. You just create a droplet and destroy it the way you would do on Amazon. It's really simple to use. There's some nice little touches. So, for instance, when I created the volume, I got a little screen that came up with some help that gave me all the scripted commands based on the OS I'd built that showed me basically how to format the file system and attach it. And I thought that was quite cool. I can upload my private key so I can SSH straight onto a box directly once I've created it. And that's a lot easier than, say, going through the rigors of setting up the network security on Amazon. So if I wanted just to spin something up for a test environment or a dev environment, it's really, really easy to do that. I'm not so sure about production because of the lack of sort of those enterprise class features around security, but certainly great for test dev.
Chris, this was great. Thanks for coming on today.
I enjoyed it, Mark. Good to talk to you.